What's up, everybody? My name is J. Jordan. Today is April the 10th of April. And why not? I got this beat off my Ronin SP 404. Let's go.
Oh shit.
All right, let's go. But we over here just to let y'all know. I know y'all ready to do this. I got something to eat, y'all. I got some food. For real, y'all. For real, I got something to eat. Y'all want to see it? Let's go. This is what I got. For real. Let's see what it is. This right here is from Tasty Crab House. And your boy decided to try something different, y'all. You know, we got I guess this butter. We got you want some hot butter? Come over here and get some hot butter. I hope that's butter. Ah, look at this. So what's in this bag is let me show you. What's in this bag right here is snow crab, some shrimp, and a pound of sausage with some potatoes and stuff. Let me see if I can. Y'all want some? Y'all want some? Y'all want some? Look at that. Look at that. You see that? And y'all know me. I'm not gonna eat it on camera, but I want y'all to see it. We got pieces of shrimp in here. Look at the shrimp falling all over. We got the corn on the cob. Look at that corn on the cob. We got some potatoes. We got the snow crab. Oh yeah, you see the sausages on the side of them. Your boy about to eat today. I kept going to my appointment, and I said, you know what? That seafood place is literally like right next door to it. I said, I might as well go check it out. You know what I mean? And you know what I mean? No gloves. Boy, they doing me dirty. They doing me dirty. I gotta go do my sound because of that. You know, when we trying to do something, you don't give me, say y'all don't give me no gloves.
Oh shit.
For real.
Oh shit.
Oh my gosh. But yeah, I know we gotta eat the food before it get cold. So I just want to let y'all see that I got me some seafood from Tasty Crab House. And it's a half a pound of shrimp, a half a pound of snow crabs, and a pound of sausage with the tasty special, and it's non-spicy with some with the same bag, and it all in the same bag. So with that being said, I'll holler at y'all later. I gotta eat. Peace and head grease. Ooh wee. Ha ha. What's up? This is the second part of the video. So this is why I went to Tasty Crab House. This one is in Austell, 399 Austell Road, Suite 805, Austell, Georgia. It's right around the corner from where I go do my physical therapy. And as you see, I said in the other video that they didn't have no napkins and stuff, but they did. I just didn't look at the right spot and no gloves. So here are the gloves, napkins in here. So I apologize because I didn't catch it at the beginning. There was a lot of bags in there. So with that being said, peace and hair grease. Look at this, eat on. All right, peace.